This is my 93 Suburban, 350 TBI, 4-wheel drive. Having a no start, or not a no start, it won't idle problem. I've replaced idle air control, the TPS, replaced the pressure regulator. I've gotten new injectors, replaced the coolant temperature sensor. Let's see. The only thing I haven't replaced is the oil sending units on both sides of the block. Now I've got in there and I've checked my ignition contact and my module. I cleaned my contacts, and my module tested okay. It tested fine. I replaced my rotor button and my wires and spark plugs. I've also replaced my EGR. And I've cleaned, now in the process of doing all this, I cleaned out the insides, make sure that my passages were cleaned on this. I've checked for vacuum leaks. There is no vacuum leaks on the intake, no vacuum leaks on my hoses. Now with that being said, I've also replaced my PCV here. Now with that being said, I'm going to show you exactly what it does, so that maybe somebody that's encountered this, they can give me a shout out and give me a hand here. So I'll start it, start and die. And it'll do that. Oh, and it little backfire through the throttle body there. If I hold the RPMs up, it'll stay running. But as soon as I let off of my pedal, well, it's making a liar out of me now. Oh, there it goes. And if I keep my pedal on it until it warms up, if I keep my foot on the pedal till it warms up, it'll idle just fine. But either way, that's the problem that I'm running into. Somebody out there that's ran into this could just give me a hand, tell me what else it could be. Now I can't complain. It's got 270,000 miles on it, almost 300,000. I believe it's about time for a new motor, but if somebody could just give me a hand, I'd really appreciate it. I mean, I've got other cars to drive, but I like my Suburban. Thank y'all.